Guys, my portfolio has just gone up 7% in 2 weeks. This is absolutely insane. When you watch this video, just know that I look a little crazy because I have this crazy hair thing going on, and I was just so passionate because I looked at my account and went, you are kidding me. And I just started making a video because I just didn't care. Guys, most important and the most valuable advice I can give anyone is, if you want to start something, then you have to just start. Never forget it. That is what you've got to do. If you want to commit to something, you've got to commit. If you want to start something, you've just got to start it. Even if you don't know what you're doing, it's just start. That is simply it. Today's video is going to be all about how to get started and why potentially you are driven by fear, which is why you haven't until now. Stick around. Don't you always wish that you could go back in time sometimes and shake yourself and say, you know what? I wish I'd started that thing that I always wanted to start, but I never did. Well, that's kind of what this video is going to be about today. It's going to be about getting started in something that you've always wanted to do, but maybe you were driven by fear. And so for that reason, you stopped, you reevaluated and you said, no, I'm not going to do it today. I'm just going to do it tomorrow. And you said that the next day and the next week and the next month. And you continued to put out this negative mindset because you were scared maybe and driven by fear rather than the potential for success. Now imagine, reverse that, and you change your mindset. You become a positive person. You're now driven by success, and you did that thing that you want to do, and you achieved everything that you wanted to achieve in that lifetime doing whatever that thing was, and how different you could have been as a person. Now, I just want to let you know that you can start that thing that you want to start whenever you want, and you can have success. I started my own business model, and I now have my own supplement company, and I'm so thrilled that I did that. But for a long time, it took me 2 years to get my mindset together and get ready to launch that product before I spent the 2 years after actually launching the product. And you know, I just want to share that with you for maybe a little bit of inspiration to tell you that you can do it too. I've been there and I've gone through leaps and hurdles and bounds, you know, and I've had days where I've just been like, okay, I don't know what I'm doing. But you know, you come to hurdles, and rather than backing away, you jump it. You keep jumping. If you fall, you carry on. You pick yourself up and you keep going. And more to do with stocks and shares and ETFs, which is what my channel's about, investing, obviously. I just want to talk to you about getting started. Now, getting started when it comes to investing can be very, very confusing. And, you know, a lot of people often get confused when someone says the Forex market, the financial market, what is investing, what is a bond? I do have a beginner video out as well, so make sure you check that out if you are new. We'll leave a link in the video for you to go and see that. And that's a video on stock market for beginners. So if you're a new investor, go check out the video. But mainly, I just wanted to say that you can get started. There are sources everywhere that you can learn on the internet, from Google, from YouTube. My channel, again, is all to do with investing, so make sure you do subscribe and hit that like button. And I would love to have you with me on this journey, and I'd love to help you learn from any of the mistakes that I've made when I was starting to learn how to invest. And mainly I'm saying all these things because tonight I had a breakthrough. My portfolio was up 7% in 2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks, and my portfolio has made 7% more money. Now, imagine I was investing £100,000 in my portfolio, and I was now up £7,000 because 7% of £100,000 is £7,000. And I just wanted to let you know that, like, anyone can do this. When I started, I had no idea of the journey I was going to go on. And, you know, it wasn't until I really jumped over that mindset of fear and I pushed myself through those limits and I said, you know what, I'm going to learn these new skills. I'm going to take this new skill and I'm going to have a new craft and I'm going to learn how to make money. I'm going to learn how to compound money, and no one else is going to show me, but I'm going to force myself to learn, even though I'm going to find it hard and confusing and challenging. But, you know, use your sources, use your people. And so if you're someone that wants to learn these things, you're in luck, because that's what I've created this channel for. So do make sure to stick around and see those videos through. And I will also tell you about how I'm getting on, show you obviously insights into my portfolio and coming up future videos, so you can, you know, see what I'm investing in, see how it's working, see how I've analyzed certain stocks and ETFs and how I've got myself involved to get to this point. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do, again, make sure that you do all of your own background research before you are going to start investing, if that is what you are going to do. Make sure that you're aware of fees, what platform you're with, and what they're going to charge you if there are any taxes involved. But again, don't worry, because I will get through all of that in upcoming future videos on my channel, which again is why I create this channel, to help you guys out. So do make sure to subscribe so that you are notified when I do release a new video. Just turn on the bell in the top corner. and you will know when I release those videos. But mainly the point I want to say to you is you've got to have a positive mindset and you've got to start. It's basically as simple as that. If you don't start something, you're never going to move forward. And that's the main purpose of this video tonight, guys, for you is to show you that you can start, you can do something, you can move forward. You know, I never knew that on this journey I was going to have such a well, I don't know what the word is. I'm forgetting my own words over here. But I didn't know I was going to have such an incredible experience after 3 weeks of having a 7% gain in my account. And, you know, this is something that if I was to hold on to dead cash, for example, and I was to have this money in my bank, I would never have gained 7% because it doesn't happen. Banks don't pay like that. But it was because I spent the time and the energy learning this new skill that I've actually managed to, you know, accumulate this amazing passive income, because that's what it is. Technically, I haven't done anything. I've done my research. Yes, that took some time once I'd invested, but now that things are moving, I've actually gained 7% of my account and I haven't essentially done any other work. You know, it's just sitting there. And you can do it too. So if you would like to get started, then I do have a sign up for 212 an affiliate. So that is a platform that I use and I'd recommend them. They are great. They are associated with the FSCS. So your money is protected up to £85,000 if anything is to happen to them. So that is something that's really, really, really important because they're regulated by the Financial Trading Institution. So sign up for them today and you will get a free stock up to £100, and so will I, because it is an affiliate link. So I will receive a little bit of an affiliate for that. And if you do so, then I thank you very much for taking control of your finances. And you know, guys, jump on it. It's free money. At the end of the day, we are coming up for a potential recession. None of us know if we're going to still have jobs in 6 months from now. We don't know what industry is going to be affected and how badly this COVID is going to go on for. So do make sure that you are looking after yourself, and why not jump on the bandwagon, get some free money, because it's free. All you've got to do is deposit £1. You can invest in those stocks that you've always wanted to invest in, and you're going to get a free stock and share up to £100. Well, anyway, guys, it takes me to the end of my video. I was going to do this video tonight. I'm actually in the middle of doing a dividend video, which I'm recording for you, and which will be out pretty soon. So I will let you know. I'm also in the process of purchasing Canon EOS 50. So I'm very, very excited to get a proper camera for you guys so I can actually start blogging properly and getting these videos down together for you in the best quality. And that way you will have a much better experience watching my videos, and so they won't be on this mobile phone that I'm doing at the minute. So stick around and I'll see you soon. Take care of yourself, stay safe, and see you next time. Ciao for now. Subscribe and hit that like button, or if you want to smash it, then go ahead and smash it for me, because I would really appreciate that, and so would the YouTube algorithm.